Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about the 5 surprising things the Cloud AI can do. If you're using Claude AI, so you must need to know about these 5 surprising things. So I have a notepad or a note where I have written these all features. So the very first thing, Claude can rewrite emails to sound more professional. So it means if your Claude AI is connected to your Gmail or your emails, so it can rewrite emails for you with sound more professional. You just have to simply go to your account, then settings, and here you have to go to connectors and just look for your Gmail or your mail. So once you have connected, you can easily write Gmails or mails using Claude AI. So the second thing is explain legal documents in plain English. If you have any legal document in other different languages or in difficult English language, so you can upload that document here by using this plus icon. Click on this plus icon, click on add files, and here just select your document. And once you uploaded your document, Claude AI can summarize it in plain English, in simple English, so you can easily understand it. So the third thing is help you for job preparation. So if you are trying to make an interview for any job, so you can get help from Claude to get a preparation for your job. So you can get something about your job interview, so it might help you. So the fourth thing is convert messy notes in clear summaries. So if you have notes or if you have an essay, something like that, which it take more time to understand, so you can upload that here. It means if you have any PDF or any Word file, so you can easily upload that here. Once I upload it, you just have to write here that summarize this note, this PDF, or this file. So it will summarize it with a short, simple English, so you can easily understand what is in that note or in that essay or a PDF file. So the last thing is help you decide between two options, pros and cons. So if you have two options like pros and cons, so you can choose Claude AI to help you choose the best one with these. So these are the 5 best ways to use Claude AI that make your things easier. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.